Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be assembling an 18 karat gold filled Topaz Gemstone necklace. There's the Topaz Gemstone, beautiful blue gemstone, and I will be putting it inside of this cage here, this bezel. Nice little split ring to hold it onto this 18 karat gold filled necklace. I will show how to make one of these at a later date. It can take a very long time due to these beads have to be put on individually. Also have a nice box to put the completed object within. I'll take one to make. I'll be using gloves for this as I don't want to mark the gemstone. The image is going all fuzzy. There we go. Sorry about that. Strange. I want the pointy end of this gemstone to be inside of the bottom of the cage. I'll open the cage a bit and get the gemstone in there carefully. Right, it's partially in there as you can see. Now I need to orientate it correctly without touching it. Nearly. With the bottom poking out. Ah, there we go. Very nice. Look at that. As you can see, the bottom is poking through nicely. It's very sparkly. And it fits in there perfectly. Even though you'd think it wouldn't, these things will hold anything up to a marble. So, they're quite good. Mark out where I want that. Here. Open the split ring. Doing this by hand in order to minimize any markings. Quite quick construction, as you can see. Very nice. Well done. Let's have a close-up inspection of that. Put it on the mirror. Better viewing quality. Here we go. Look at that. How nice is that? See if I can show the 18 karat gold marking on the clasp. Get my magnifier. Let's have a quick close-up look. There you can see the 18 karat gold filled marking on the very nice chain. Let's look at the gemstone next. Lovely. As you can see, it's poking out at the bottom of the cage quite nicely. Beautiful and clear and very high quality product, this one. Nice inspection of it all. Well, that was quick and easy. Let's place it within the display box. Very nice. Had to get it to focus. Put that behind it. There we go. Looks very nice inside of that old jewellery box. Very old jewellery box, about 20 years old. And it's actually from my city. Well, till next time.